Are you trying to declutter your Instagram inbox? In this video, you will learn how to move messages to general on Instagram. I will show you step by step how to move those messages taking up space in your inbox. So watch this video until the very end to learn how to keep your inbox clean and tidy. To get started, first open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your Instagram profile. So in order to move your messages to general, you have to switch your personal Instagram account to a professional account. So to do that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings screen, tap on Account, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Switch to Professional Account. And then tap Continue for all of these. And then select any category that you like and tap on Done. After that, you can either select your account to be a creator or a business account. So go ahead and choose anything that you like. It doesn't really matter. And then tap on Next. And then let's close this. So now let's go over to the DMs. And as you can see now, I have three sections: Primary, General, and Requests. So in order to move messages to general, open up any DM and then tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, there is the option to move to general. So go ahead and tap on Move. And now it has been moved to general. And let's go over to general. And there you go, that's the DM I just moved. So if you want to move this back to primary, tap on it and then tap on the icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then where it says Move to Primary, simply tap on Move. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.